Look. Look. I wanted to show you. Now it's not coming out the way I want.
Wait. Pia wewe.
Kadusko. This is the brooms. This is the hill I'm talking about. That one is a very big one. It is a very big hill. So I'm coming to you live from this place, from my sister's place, and I'm happy to be around her place. So ensure that you like the video, subscribe, and invite your friends and family to watch my videos. Now I want you to like this video and watch this video till the end. Look at these beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. Umeona nini? Umeona? Unataka kuchukua video gani? Ndoki?
Wala kumbe kwa tangu ni.
Buka nomen.
Wanda nengo kuna, nengo kulumia. Tiwa nange kuna mundu nyi. Nengo kuna muno. Nengo kuna umwamini ni.
Hii mama wanakushukana tu wakati uko video.
Nakango kuna. Dia konya manta.
Emma komba. Halu na. Ama komba.
Bwana nakugerate. Umava. Dia kuja chukua mtoto.
Badala nyinyi mnatumwanga na mseme kichwa. Mnaanza kukata. Like embe ameanza kukua kichwa. Si ndio mama? Siamba kama ameanza kukua kichwa ngumu nyumbani. Kwa hataki kutuma.
So now I'm through with washing the utensils. Now I want to clean this area because you see the morning the flowers have fallen. There are many flowers here from these trees. So I have to clean each and every morning. This is how it looks like because of the flowers, how they fall during the night and sometimes during the day. So we're gonna clean together also. So that's one task done.
Oh. Talking about it to the what to the other.
So we are going to look for the brooms to sweep the compound, and we are eating mandazis. These are mandazi.
What to Kajira Kadieta.
So these are the brooms. Let me show you. These ones. Umeshinda kukata.
Sina kupeleka tu.
Ulikuwa unanileta.
Hizi ni
Nyasi.
nyasi kama inakanga hivi.
Kuna kuanga na mzee nyingi sana.
Haina.
Haina nyingi sana.
Look at my brooms. Look, locally sourced brooms.
Let's go.
So we source locally. No stress, no much stress in the village of buying brooms, and we can source locally here. So I think this is enough. Sisi zako ni mzuri. Pamoja. So now we go. We are good.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go home. Let's go home.
Do you have these in your village? This plant is medicinal. It has these flowers, and when they ripe, Liam, let me show you something. I wanted to show you. Now it's not coming out the way I want, but it's pure medicinal. Pure medicinal. Come, let me show you the rest. There is also this one here, and this one. There are very many. There are very many. We have a small one over there. So if you have skin wart, this one will heal. Look at this milk. So this milk heals the skin wart. Look, skin wart. You have any skin wart? This milk gonna heal you. Look. Look.
Makana, tako din na ko. Umagaw.
Dana bena na mavituka. Wadi we.
Wanafanya pahali pamoja.
Ngoja hizi chafu zingine. Ndio hizo.
Kwa Nakalia mara bada nyamo datu. Tawara bade na modatu anare. Ndoe. Ato Liam. Liam ve.
So now, number 3 task, time for tea. This is tea white, tea with milk. Time for tea. Ukauka what is that? Na mandazi.
Kale matete ata.
Bwana
Kale
wakati.
matete.
Jeni kwa mtemi. Mkachi.
Kana kukira saini mtu kaa chini wenda. Kaa chini. Aya karandika. Aya.
Kaini chini.
Mimi ndo ananikoa.
So we're having tea and mandazi here, and with my nieces and nephews, my sister's kids, and my one child here. So welcome so much to my channel, and ensure that you watch my videos. My people, take me to 4K watch hours. I'm some hours behind, and I really want to be monetized this time round. So I'm working around the clock to ensure that at least you have something to watch when you come back to my channel. So welcome so much to my channel. Invite your friends and family to watch and subscribe. I'm in the village where I was born and raised, and currently as I speak, this is my sister's place, and she's not here today. She has gone out to fish, and she's coming back with some fish, and I'll be showing you the fish that she will be back with after fishing. She knows how to fish. I also know, but again, I haven't done it for some time now, many years now. But when I go back, I'm very sure I'll fish and come back with many and very huge fish. Welcome. Let's now take tea.
Yes.
Keep it here. Your tea is here.
What the heck?
Wendo. Nguvoreria.
Endo nikuvoreria.
Ndukuria kuvoreria chai. Nguvoreria. Onyesha kemboru. Onyesha kembio. Nduveza.
Kala kupenya. Kala
Hata
kupenya.
anadanganya.
Anadanganya.
Wale wanadanganya au hapana?
Ni abora.
Usimalize kama jana.
Wewe kwenda kuvoreria.
Ene makana? Kwa mwakera nyingi ate.
Ndanyuja nyingi. Sawa. Tukangupatia makana. Alafu na mandazi.
Andangi kaitia kava wende ngitamwe kereta mwetha atire vo yeto nenguko.
It's very sweet.
Nini sweet? Chai.
Oh, the tea.
Alituna kato.
Post na posite. Na
Haya.
Kuikira tingu.
na wewe katenge.
Kate.
Wekunde kalenge.
Kunde kirenge to.
Oye wangu.
Ngere kamkanda vo kate.
Mbembe.
Eva. Ogoro. Liam, utashika. Utashika mbuzi. Ogoro.
Wachilia. Utige wenawe. Reje wendo. Ngoto morania.
Kora dhaikera ku. Well.
Leta hii.
Wenda. Hii inaitanga Wenda. Ngaira. Makana. Vinga nini? Morango cha nyamba. Gai. Nena.
Si utoke hapo. Oh. Unaogopa mbuzi na ndio ukikula. Iranda tu kujua na kwa
Ye.
Umezaika hapa. Hapa ni ile andeni. Bando ka. Umezaika hapa.
Ndio miraikewa. Kali ndandika. Kali andandika. Kienda rugirire. Igenda rugirire ru. Kule mbembe merori. Abandi mali mbembe.
Wewe unarambo changu? So we are done with tying our goats. Oh,
Then
I think task number 4.
anti tena kule merori yo. Mbembe.
Save.